And if we got it right, you'd have never twigged that this Hagrid was really this machine. The animatronics team fit their machines into figures large and small.
Take Scabbers here. He's one of the smallest, but even he is filled with tiny gears and servos. Now, animatronics range in size from Scabbers to the Book of Monsters, up to the Boar's Head here. But that wasn't the last. Now, as you know, Harry Potter's world is filled with all sorts of amazing, mystical and mesmerising creatures. Goblins, dragons, trolls, werewolves, and all sorts of hideous monsters. Goblins. And talking of hideous monsters, this is Nick Duncan, and this is his shop. And that is about
The entirety of the